What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Ethereum for Polygon in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, this one's pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go and open up the Phantom Wallet. And from here at the very top, you have four options. So you have receive, send, swap, and buy. Now since we want to swap here, let's go and choose the swap option. Now from here, we do need to fill out some details. We have the you pay and you receive section. Now from here, we need to fill out the appropriate one here. Since we want to swap from Ethereum to Polygon, you need to set the you pay for Ethereum and the you receive as Polygon. Let's go and choose the you pay first. Let's go and click on our token here, and you want to go and choose your chain. So at the very top, you have the following chain. So right now I have like Solana and Polygon here. So let's go and choose Polygon as an example, and let's go and choose Ethereum. Now, by the way, if you want to use or you are transferring from a different chain, fees are going to be really big. Just be aware of that. Sometimes the the amount that you're transferring will only be, or the half of that amount that you're transferring is the only thing that you'll be receiving. Again, fees are going to be really high if you're transferring cross chain. But again, I'm going to choose Polygon here and choose Ethereum. And from here, we want to go and set the you receive section. Now, let's go ahead and click on the token, and so let's go and go to the Polygon chain here and choose Polygon. Now, let's go and specify the amount. So, for example, maybe I want to transfer this specific amount here and just basically wait for it to load up. So if you do see it in red, it means you don't have enough in your wallet to make the transfer. So go ahead and just update that, but wait for it to update. As you can see, this is the updated value. Let's go ahead and click on the swap now button at the very bottom, but also make sure that you agree to the price, fees, price, in fact, and slippage. Go ahead and review that. Let's go ahead and click on swap now. Now, the swapping process should now start, and typically speaking, it only takes like around a few seconds or even a minute. So just wait for it, but typically it's really fast. Now it should say it's done. Click on close, and once you've done that, you could go and go back to your homepage, reload your page here, and that should update the current value that you have right now. So as you can see, our Polygon is now there, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.